Let me tell you about someone who changed the world, but you might not know her name, Lise Meitner. Imagine being one of the first women in all of Europe to earn a doctorate in physics. That was Lise. Born in Vienna, 1878, and from a young age, she was obsessed with how the universe works. Even when universities tried to keep women out, she persisted. Fast forward to her partnership with Otto Hahn. They worked together for over 30 years, studying radioactivity and the secrets inside atoms. Science was a boys' club, but Lisa's curiosity and brilliance shone through. In 1938, the world changed. As the Nazis rose to power, Lise, who was Jewish, had to flee Germany. She left everything behind: her lab, her friends, her life's work. She escaped to Sweden, but she never stopped thinking. She asked, "What happens when you bombard uranium with neutrons?" In a quiet Swedish village, lightning struck. Lise realized the uranium nucleus could split, breaking into smaller elements and releasing huge energy. Nuclear fission. This wasn't just a cool trick. It became the basis for nuclear energy, the power that lights cities, but it also opened the door to nuclear weapons. Lise was shaken by how her discovery was used in World War II. When the Nobel Prize in chemistry was awarded, only Otto Hahn's name was called. Lise was left out. But history remembers. Today she's recognized as a giant of modern physics. She earned awards, honors, and even has an element named after her, meitnerium. Her legacy is literally part of the universe. So next time you hear about nuclear energy, remember Lise Meitner, the woman who saw into the heart of the atom and changed science forever.